5 Weather Report, supported by Bert Ogden and Fiesta Dealerships.
And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good evening, everyone. So we had another very warm, even hot day with temperatures reaching the low to mid 90s most places, but McAllen had upper 90s today. And we did see some scattered thunderstorms this afternoon in the mid-valley, the northern ranchlands, also as part of the lower valley this afternoon. Those did die down and should be quiet for tonight. Then for tomorrow, keeping another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Temperatures are still quite warm right now. Upper 70s in Edinburgh and Weslaco, 77 in Harlingen and Raymondville, 81 in Rio Grande City, and 83 in Port Isabel. Here's your day planner forecast. We'll start off with partly sunny skies at 8 a.m. with temperatures in the upper 70s. We're back to 88 degrees at noon. There is a chance for some spotty showers or thunderstorms in the afternoon. 91 is your temperature at 5 p.m. and it's also going to be a breezy day with winds out of the southeast around 10 to 20 miles an hour. Here's the Atlantic Ocean. This is Tropical Storm Leslie. Maximum winds are 60 miles per hour. Leslie's moving to the east at 13 miles an hour, but is not a direct threat to the U.S. We may see some higher ocean swell still and rip currents along the east coast, but the forecast cone, the official forecast track, moves Leslie toward the east-southeast through next week. Now, closer to home, we've been talking to you about this disturbance in the Caribbean Sea. The Hurricane Center is now calling a potential tropical cyclone 14 because it should become a tropical depression by tomorrow and then a tropical storm, we think, by tomorrow night. Maximum winds are 30 miles per hour. It's moving to the north at 7 miles an hour. This is not a threat to the valley, but here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. And you notice the forecast calls for it to go northward through the Gulf of Mexico, and right now the forecast is for it to make landfall somewhere along the central Gulf Coast, maybe from Alabama all the way to the Florida Panhandle. So again, not a threat to us here in the valley. Show you why in just a bit. First of all, here's a front that is draped over north and west Texas, and they're seeing some good thunderstorms right now in the southern plains and north and west Texas, moving to the northwest. Now here's why we don't expect number 14 to be a threat to the valley. Look out west. We have this big trough of low pressure, this upper level storm system that's going to kick a front, another front, into the area. So that same upper low is going to deflect this tropical system away from Texas and more so toward the southeastern U.S. On that same note, that front should push into our area by perhaps Thursday, but it's going to be a weak front. At this point, we're still calling for high temperatures around 90 degrees Thursday and Friday, but there is a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms for the middle of next week thanks to this front. So sadly, we'll have to wait for a stronger front to get into the valley, but at least it's nice to be talking about any fronts. So again, that front is our friend as it should keep that tropical system away from the valley. We have a 20% chance of some spotty thunderstorms tomorrow as well as Monday and Tuesday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop, and the seas will be 2 to 5 feet. So for tonight, partly cloudy, just a mild night with low temperatures in the mid-70s. Then for your Sunday, partly sunny, warm and breezy with a 20% chance of some spotty thunderstorms. We'll put high temperatures in the lower 90s. And here's that 7-day forecast, 91 degrees for Monday with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Same case on Tuesday. Then we put in a 30% chance of thunderstorms Wednesday, and at this point a 40% chance of thunderstorms thanks to the front. Look at that, the high temperatures back to 90 for Thursday and Friday. The morning lows should stay for much of next week in the mid-70s. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.